Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a photos from WhatsApp web on PC. If you've received a photo on WhatsApp and you want to save it directly to your computer, this guide will walk you through the simple steps. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC by going to web.whatsapp.com, or you can do it with WhatsApp desktop app. Make sure you're logged in by scanning the QR code using the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats on the screen. Now, find the conversation where the photo you want to save is located. Scroll through your messages until you find the image you want to download. Once you've found the photo, click on it to open it in full screen mode. This helps you view it clearly and make sure you're saving the right image. Now, you can see 3 dots at the top right corner. Here you can see Save As option. Click on it. Now, it will ask you to select location to store. After selecting, click on Save, and boom. There is another shorter way. Simply open photo in shorter form. Right-click on it. Here you can see Save As option. After this, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.